Ever faced the gut-wrenching moment of a corrupted Minecraft world, or accidentally deleted something precious? Don't panic, because restoring your game is easier than you think. First, close Minecraft entirely if it's currently running, then open your Minecraft launcher. This is where we'll access your game files. Look for the Installations tab at the top and click on it. Now, find the Minecraft installation for the version of your world and hover your mouse over it to the right. You'll see a small folder icon. Click this icon. This will instantly open the folder containing all your Minecraft game files. Inside this folder, you'll find a subfolder labeled Saves. This is the goldmine, containing all of your single-player worlds. Double-click on the Saves folder to open it. Here, you'll see a list of folders, each representing one of your Minecraft worlds. Locate the folder corresponding to the backup you want to restore. It might be named something like mySomeWorld_backup_date. Before we replace anything, it's good practice to make a copy of your current saves folder. As an extra precaution, you can do this by right-clicking on the saves folder and selecting copy. Now, if you have a corrupted or unwanted world occupying the same name as your backup, you'll need to delete or rename that folder to avoid conflicts. For example, if your backup is named My World, and you have an existing My World folder that's causing problems, either delete that problematic My World folder or rename it to something like MyWorld_corrupted. Once the conflicting folder is gone or renamed, take your desired backup world folder and rename it to exactly match the name of the world you intended to restore. For instance, if your backup folder is named MyWorld_backup_date, rename it to simply My World. After renaming, close all the File Explorer windows. Now, launch your Minecraft game. Head to your single-player worlds list, and you should find your restored world ready to play. Your saved progress is back, safe and sound.